Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can isolate areas in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So first what you have to do, make sure you are in Edge Select, and now press A and then select, and then here go to select sharp edges, and you can increase the sharpness if it's not selecting what you want. Okay, and then what you have to do is you're in edge select, right click, and now select mark seam, and now go to faces, and now you can simply press L, move your mouse where you want to select, and then press L. Okay, now you can select. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.